How to change property address on booking.com. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll explain how to change your property address on booking.com. It's best to do it through their extranet as the mobile app does not allow address changes. Once you're logged in with your extranet, your screen should look like this. Please note that there is no self-service option for changing your property address. You must contact the booking.com directly. They will verify your address before making any changes. And here's how you can do it. Click on the drop-down menu in the inbox and then select booking.com messages and then click on contact options at the bottom right. A menu will appear on the right side. Click on property details, then select the last option, which is other. In the next menu, click on still need help. See all the contact options. Choose message. And in the message box, write something like, I want to change my address from A to B. You will also need to upload proof of your address such as electricity bill, gas bill, or any utility bill that shows the address you want to change. Upload your document and then send a message. They typically respond quickly if your document is correct, and you should hear back within 24 hours and they will update your address. Keep in mind that you can only make minor adjustments to your address. If you need to change it to a completely different city, you will need to create a new listing. They can help with the small corrections, but a major change from A to B is not permitted. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.